And he wasn't under the bar, was he? He was on the edge of the 6-yard box. It's an excellent goal from the Frenchman. And Pep Guardiola's half-time team talk obviously done the trick. And I think he was saying that's what we should have been doing in the first half. So Thierry Henry has broken the deadlock. It's Xerez 0, Barcelona 1. How can they respond, the bottom club? They've only scored 4.
Alves up towards Ibrahimovic is onside, the flag has stayed down. And great goalkeeping from Renan, who charges 10 metres out of his penalty area. And with a diving header clears the ball for a throw. We're into the last minute as we see Messi's shot that hit the post again. He's being pulled back by Francis, but still gets the shot in. Guardiola going crazy on the touchline. Ibrahimovic, and now it really is all over. The second goal of the night. Smiles all round. 2 goals in 2 games for the Swedish striker. And Barcelona are going 5 points clear at the top. Stays onside brilliantly. It's Messi's assist. It's Ibrahimovic's goal, and it's Xerez 0, Football Club Barcelona 2. 3 points for the champions. And they've now scored 32 goals, and Xerez have still only scored 4. And that's been the big problem tonight. There were chances in the first half. Barca were very slow out the blocks. They made mistakes, but Xerez were just unable to capitalise on them.